promote.
Anesho yabo ukuthi cha menge ngasho labo cha impela intombi ayiphunyuli niyazi ke this is
but I'm not good with the race though. Come on.
Okay, so and before sithole ke uBlissful la besikade sinaye ke uBerry ehamba naye u10 and then before lokho besikade sino Azania ethu uthando lwangempela kanti bekukhona futhi uAsa ethi Fire on the Mountain no Amanda Black kuyena ke siqale ngayo ishow ethi yena ke lapha yana ke ku10 na so please igama lakho lokuhlala ekhaya.
Okay, let me start like this. My name is Atenkosine, and then Blissful August is my stage name. I'm from Vanderbilt Park, in Val. I was born in Jamestown, Gauteng, but I was raised in Eastern Cape because that's where my both parents come from.
Okay.
Yes, I'm doing music. I'm an artist. You know, I speak about love. You know, heartbreaks. Yes.
So what inspired you to ungene emculweni? I know you said your name is inspired by you, August, one of them, August, the producer. But what inspired you to get ungene emculweni?
You know,
Naba bawulandele umculo wenu ke kakhulukazi so sizoke silale nje ingoma ezimpilo zakhe uAugust nikwazi ukuthi ke nizwele nini kungabe ungathi manje ke sidayisa iphepha ngekho kodwa nizwele nini njengoba sazi ngaso sonke isikhathi sihlezi sithembisa ukuthi thina ke umculo uphethe esuphethe siphethe ke umculo ke osezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu ngicela ke nizwele. Sinzusa basampuli labalaleli besanzofazane ngoba ke umculo wakhe uyatholakala ke kuona wonke ke ama social media platforms ikakhulukazi ke lapha yana ku SoundCloud ila uzokwazi ukuthi ke nimthole khona ke uBlissful lapha ya yikho nje liyana bekuyisampuli ngesizwe amasampuli ukuthi ke izinto aniphathele zona ngiyezwa futhi ngadlebele ukuthi ke engathi ke khona nealbum futhi ke asazoyidropa Blissful tholakala lapha ku SoundCloud.
Yes.
Are you working on anything new or
yes.
Facebook?
Yeah, it's Blissful. Everywhere is Blissful.
Twitter, are you on Twitter
no,
as well?
I'm not on Twitter.
Why not?
I don't know.
If you for me, no comment. For as much as I'm with you, that's obvious. I know all the desires is to rent us. You gotta believe me, don't be godless. I vow I got your back, that's a promise. Frankly, with you I got flowers. Don't panic, give me West hours. Take your time, I'm here more than a few.